Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to assemble the JJSlowJuicer, an electric juicer designed for efficient and high-quality juicing. It comes with a molded 3-pin UK plug, which is safer and more durable. Now, let's get started with the assembly. First, take the juicing bowl and push the silicone rubber into the pulp outlet to prevent leaks. Next, fix the strainer inside the juicing bowl, followed by the rotating brush for even extraction. Then insert the Altum screw, which helps press the juice out of your fruits and vegetables. Secure everything by closing it with the hopper on top. Place the containers under the juicing and pulp outlets to collect juice and pulp separately. Finally, insert the pusher. This juicer comes with two strainers, one with larger holes, perfect for soft fruits like strawberries, bananas, and kiwis. Plus, it includes a cleaning brush to make maintenance easy. You can get the JJSlowJuicer from the website listed. Enjoy your juicing!